Hey, welcome back to MVP Hot Wheels. This is Diesel Mac, and today is Sunday, which means it's time to open up some cars. And the first one today is going to be this SS Commodore, an Australian model. This is, I think, exclusively sold in Australia also. So we will get through the tape here, open the side, and we will cut the bungee string, maybe. There we go. And pull her free. Maybe. There's one side and there's that one. So there you go. Australian sold only, or market only, SS Commodore. Thanks for watching.